Welcome to our exploration of Asian-Style Crispy Sesame Chicken. In the sizzling dance of heat and chicken, the Maillard reaction takes center stage. This chemical reaction between amino acids and reducing sugars gives Asian-Style Crispy Sesame Chicken its golden brown hue and savory aroma. As the chicken fries, it undergoes this transformation, creating complex flavors and that signature crispy texture we all love. Imagine the browning of bread or searing of steak. This same principle applies to your crispy chicken, elevating it from a simple dish to a culinary masterpiece. Tiny but mighty, sesame seeds pack a punch in this dish. Not only do they add a delightful nutty flavor and a satisfying crunch, but they are also rich in essential nutrients. Sesame seeds are an excellent source of calcium, magnesium, and healthy fats. These nutrients contribute to bone health and provide energy, making your meal not just delicious, but also nutritious.
Soy sauce, a staple in Asian cuisine, plays a crucial role in providing that savory umami flavor in Asian-style crispy sesame chicken. This fermented condiment is rich in glutamates, compounds that enhance the taste of your dish, making it more satisfying and complex. The fermentation process of soybeans also produces antioxidants, adding a healthful benefit to its robust taste profile. Cornstarch is the unsung hero in achieving that perfect crispiness. When chicken is coated in cornstarch, before frying, it creates a thin, crispy shell that locks in moisture. This barrier ensures that each bite remains juicy on the inside, while delightfully crunchy on the outside. Cornstarch's ability to withstand high temperatures without burning makes it ideal for frying, delivering that irresistible texture.
Ginger and garlic are culinary powerhouses that add depth and warmth to Asian-style crispy sesame chicken. Ginger contributes a zesty, peppery kick, while garlic infuses the dish with its rich, aromatic essence. Beyond flavor, both ingredients have been revered for their medicinal properties for centuries. Known for boosting the immune system and aiding digestion,
Honey is the natural sweetener that balances the savory notes in this dish. Its viscosity ensures a glossy coating, helping the sesame seeds adhere to the chicken. Honey is not just a sweet indulgence. It's packed with antioxidants and has antibacterial properties. This golden nectar adds complexity to the flavor profile, making each piece a harmonious blend of sweet and savory.
Green onions, also known as scallions, are the final touch that brightens Asian-style crispy sesame chicken. Their fresh, mild onion flavor cuts through the richness of the dish, providing a crisp, refreshing contrast. Rich in vitamins A and C, green onions not only enhance the visual appeal with a pop of color, but also contribute to a well-rounded and nutritious meal.